I decided it was time. It was time to start a channel, start to go at it serious, and what better way to do it than with the Rebel, which is just such a huge part that I just love in my life. And after doing Sick Week in the Monte, there was just so much about that experience that I was like, you know what? I can drive the Rebel anywhere. If I can drive the Monte anywhere, I can definitely drive the Rebel. It's not turnkey by any means. Not turnkey, but it's a great base where there's things that we can add to it, learn, and I just really love it so much. It's a 67 AMC Rebel SST, so it has the 343 in it. It has the 3-speed automatic. It's just such an awesome car, and it has such a fun story from Eric and I. And we originally started the project thinking we are definitely going to do a restoration on it, and that is not where we have fully decided on it. We've kind of gotten a little bit more of the modern rat roddy type of feel. We put this Plasti Dip on the top after we decided we were not going to do that, and we had some parts on it primered, and we strip all of that off of it, and it's left us with this cool patina that I just really, really love. And on the other side, I've done some lettering on it, or not lettering, numbering. I've done some numbering on it, and today I just want to start getting the process because we hate the Plasti Dip on it. It's terrible. It's like, it's kind of hard to see here, but it's like peeling, and it also looks super satisfying to like remove it. And I've been trying not to pull at it because I didn't want to remove it. But today is that day. I think I'm going to start here. This is where it's like starting off like the most. And we're going to take this off. Pull it back. Yes. No, don't go there. Come on, come on, come on. I'm pretty excited right now. This is probably the best piece I've had. I'm like, I'll have to get a close up. But have you ever made a turkey? Like Thanksgiving, and you're like, lift up like the skin and you're putting butter and stuff between it? Kind of like when you are short, the most productive way is to sit on the hood. It started off super good, and then it kind of went south pretty quickly. It's just coming off in these really little tiny increments. Sometimes you can get it to be a better piece, but for the most part, you're just trying to like rub on it to grab a little bit of a piece to try and like pull towards you, and not awesome. I know there's got to be a more simple way. I think heat is the biggest contributor right now because we don't have any of it. It's super cold, and this is extra cold, so like this is even colder than probably what it is in here. Like to the touch, it's very chilly. I tried to start it to see if I could get the engine to warm up the hood here, and it did not want to start. I think it's struggling with that coldness. So I'm gonna try another thing for today. My little face and my hands are getting all sorts of cold in here. Here I am today. We're gonna hopefully get My goal is to get this this section done. There's this last panel here, maybe it'll come. I don't know, but that's kind of my plan today, is to just work a little bit more and get this done because I want to paint it. I want to paint it a pretty color. This started as like something super satisfying, and it's become one of like the biggest pains in the butt to get off. Another solution that I'm gonna try that I'm kind of excited about and a little bit nervous about, basically cleaning it off with gasoline. So taking a microfiber and just kind of soaking it down, and it kind of showed it just sort of dissolving. I got my gas, just a little bit in this little container here. I got my dirty rag that I've been using for a bit, and I'm gonna try it. I guess maybe I'll start over here first. There's a decent patch right over there, so we'll try that sucker first, see how it goes. No way. No freaking way. Just... Dude. I spent hours doing this, and it's just wiping it away. And it doesn't look like it's taken off the paint, so that's good. I am at a bit of a stopping point with this. Just I'm gonna do a cleanup part, but for the majority, it is done. So that is putting us at, wait for it, look it, focus. Right here, camera. Nope, not over there, right here. There we go. 1 hour and 45 minutes. And it has taken us to this point. I have some awesome dirt and yuckiness. My poor band is, it's something. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty much a success. I'm freaking pumped on this right now. You can definitely tell that like this part is a little bit darker than the part over there right now. I'm gonna come back with another microfiber and some more gas and get the rest of it off, because you start to get to a point where the rags get grimy and gross, and honest, this last part I was getting kind of lazy and figured that when I do the final cleanup, it will just come off. I should have gotten a hair tie. This reminds me of driving the Monte. It always had a smell of gasoline in it. You gotta be super careful on not to overfill it. Even if you did fill it a little bit too much, you hit a bump, you did something and like a little bit of gas came out. So this kind of makes me think of sick week. We always drove with the windows open. Except one time at night, and I remember telling Eric, I'm like, yeah, we need to definitely open those windows because it's getting a little too fumy in here. But that was a great time. Do you see this? Do you see the beautiful primer underneath? I am beyond excited that it is off. I thought for a hot minute there that I was gonna get stuck peeling every little tiny bit off of it. And I kind of feel a little bit silly by doing it for as long as I did before looking to see what else I could do. Whew, that wasn't scary. It's made a lovely mess on my floor, and so I have to work on cleaning that up now, and I'm probably gonna be finding little pieces of Plasti Dip all over my garage from now until forever. But the next item is to get this sanded down a little bit and to get it ready for paint. I was originally gonna do black, but then there are the racing numbers on the side that are black and white, and then the hood, not the hood, the roof is white. So white might look kind of good too. So I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go black or white. I don't know. I don't know what to do yet. I should probably figure that out so I can get some paint and get this ready to go. But I am so stoked and so proud that that worked. It was definitely a learning process, and I learned that I never want to do anything with Plasti Dip again, but then I'll probably find myself doing something with it because. But thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to bring you along the journey with this rebel, and I will see you later. Okay, bye!